Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to give edit access to your Google Sheet in Google Sheets. So first, open up the sheet and click on share right here. In order to share, you should have your sheet named, so enter a name of your sheet and press save. Now it will show you the share tab where you can add people groups and calendar events. So simply just add a person that you want to share this sheet with. So type him right here and then simply select it, and you can also select to notify people with a message when you share this sheet with them. So you can type a message, hello, check this out, and you can also copy a link right here. So in order to edit it, make sure that they are a editor, not a viewer, not a commenter. They will have to be a editor. So this is how you give a edit access and press send to another person. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.